In this video, you'll learn how to add a profile picture on your Stan store. By following these steps, you will successfully personalize your store's appearance to better connect with your audience. Begin by navigating to your Stan store dashboard. Look at the left sidebar and locate the option labeled My Store. Click on this to access your store settings. Once you are in the My Store section, find and click on the Edit Design button. This action will open the design editor where you can customize various aspects of your store's visual presentation. In the design editor, direct your attention to the top section of the screen. Here, you will see a field labeled Store Logo Profile Picture. This is where you will upload your new profile image. To proceed, click on the image area within the Store Logo Profile Picture field. A menu will appear giving you the option to choose Upload. Select this option to initiate the process of adding your profile picture. After selecting Upload, a file dialog will open, allowing you to browse your device for the desired image. Keep in mind that the file size of your image may affect how quickly it uploads, especially if you have a slower internet connection. Once you've selected your picture, confirm your choice. Now return to the design editor where you should see a preview of your uploaded image. Ensure that this is the correct image before moving on. To finalize the changes, locate the Save button at the top right corner of the editor and click on it. This action will save your new profile picture. You may see a brief loading indicator while the changes are processed. After saving, take a moment to verify that your profile picture appears correctly in the design editor. This confirmation will ensure that your store is updated with the new visual element. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial